This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Landau-Fractenber. A rare find in Pasadena Estates in Davie. Beautiful and well-maintained home. Desirable split-bedroom floor plan with formal living, dining and separate family room areas, spacious eat-in kitchen with granite counters, stainless appliances and pantry. Both baths have recently been beautifully renovated. Other features include plantation shutters, decorative molding throughout, plenty of closet space, interior laundry room, accordion shutters and garage storage space. Backyard oasis perfect for entertaining with extended patio, relaxing pool with sun shelf and waterfall, outdoor kitchen and bar area. Fully fenced with partial water view. Back gate with straight walking path to A-rated elementary and middle schools. Close to major roads, Treetops Park, Sawgrass Mills and other shopping. For more information, review the details below.